will be playing this game called
Dito sa bahay. Hindi ka mawawala yun.
I'm sorry about that, guys. And let's get to work. There we go. Now we reach our work. Sorry. Okay, let's make our pizza. Oh. Okay, yeah, we are working. We're working. Ah! Okay, now let's... Oh, cheese pizza reward for...
Dito tayo dalawa. Yung pinakapos mo. Teka.
Okay, now let's go. Pepperoni sausage.
Alam ko sa pinto, init eh. Malabas ka kasi. Papapos ko.
Okay, now let's make this pizza. Don't you dare throw a snowball at me. Okay, let's make some pizzas while you're waiting.
Magbabato na naman niya ulit. Ano yung bag mo? Ano yung bag mo? Ano yung bag mo?
Okay, now. Why is this so old?
Oy, Didi! Walang Didi!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Didi! Walang Didi!
Open this.
Didi!
I got a piano. That's it, okay.
Oh, Didi daw. Ano ko ba naman?
My goal here is to get 2,000 every day.
Didi! Ano ko ba si nanay? Ano mo ba sa akin nung huli nanay?
Playing right now. I need to get 2,000 monies and
Ano ko ba niya? Pakipayan o Didi?
why do they call it coin? It's not even called coin.
Pakipayan. Kaya kung pakipayan ha?
It's empty.
Baba ko na naman niya yan.
Okay, now let's go work. Okay. Ah! You don't even deserve to be a employee in the mall. Hey, hi, I want sausage pizza. Hey, are you guys gonna order or what? Hurry up. Well, guys, let's go to my house and I will go there. Okay, now we're in my house and this is where we end our video. So, thank you guys for watching my video. Bidabop,